could have made that quote-unquote mistake. I could have nibbled on that cooling cake, but I wouldn't want that flowery heart to break. So I ate the bread of good for goodness sake. I could have followed my one wandering eye. I could have cooked up some sweet alibi, but then I would have had to bear the weight of every single tear she cried. Sometimes love is what you refrain from. Sometimes love is what you refrain from. On the path to heaven's gates, no pain, no gain, son. Yes, sometimes love is what you refrain from. That bright but pesky sound of her calling on me to come around, to goggle over some new thing she'd found. I should have sighed and put my shovel down. And when you won the fair with your tin foil, my eyes too fixed upon that stubborn soil, feel the furrow and the yoke were clouded by the smoke of midnight oil. Well, sometimes love is what you refrain from. Sometimes love is what you refrain from. On the path to heaven's gates, no pain, no gain, son. Yes, sometimes love is what you refrain from. I tell you, son, as one whose time is nigh, it all seems to never end and then you die. Like a bolt of lightning out of the blue sky, and there but for the grace of God went I, and there thanks to the grace of God go I. Yes,